Good morning 10th class students. Today we are solving very short answer type questions in real numbers. I already told you that we never neglect half mark or 1 mark questions. They deepen our knowledge and each bit helps to improve our rank in competitive examinations. Without doing late, let us solve the question quickly. The first question: which of the following rational number have terminating decimals? The question is 16 by 125, 5 by 18, 2 by 21 and 21 by 750. Pause the video, solve it and check the answer. How to solve it? Step number 1. Simplify the fraction. Step number 2. Prime factorize the denominator. If it contains 2 or 5 only, then it is terminating. If it contains other than 2 or 5, then it is non-terminating recurring decimal. In our question, the answer is A and D. Here, observe D, 21 by 750. By simplification, it becomes 7 by 250. The denominator is 250. By prime factorization, it contains only 2 or 5. So, the answer is A, 16 by 125 and D, 21 by 750. Now, let us go for next question. Which of the following is rational number? The first one, root over minus 9, B, root over 9 by 0, C, root 9, D, 1.616616661, so and so on. Observe here. The first one is negative number under square root. Negative number under square root is not a real number. It is called imaginary number. So, A is imaginary number. In B, at denominator 0 is there. If 0 is present in the denominator of a fraction, then it is undefined. Now C, root 9 is equals to 3. So, the answer is C. Observe D, 1.61, 661, 6661, so and so on. It is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Hence, it is irrational number. So, not rational number. So, answer is C. Now, the HCF of least 2-digit number and least 3-digit number is dash. Read the question, solve yourself and then check your answer. The least 2-digit number is 10. The least 3-digit number is 100. Their HCF is 10. Now, let us go to the next question. The product of the HCF and LCM of the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number is dash. Pause the video, solve it and check the answer. You know that smallest prime number is 2, smallest composite number is 4, their HCF is 2, LCM is 4, so the product is 2 into 4 is 8. The fifth question. which of the following we can't represent on real number line? A. Integers. B. Rationals. C. Irrationals. D. None. Real number line. Integers are real numbers. Rational numbers are real numbers. Irrational numbers are also real numbers. So, here the answer is D. That is none. Next question. Solve 8 power minus 2 by 3. Pause the video, solve yourself and check the answer. 8 power minus 2 by 3. Here 8 can be written as 2 cube. By observing here, we can apply the formula a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So, by multiplying 3 and 3 will be cancelled, it becomes 2 power minus 2. Again we apply formula a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Then it becomes 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Next question. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are equal. Then the numbers will be prime number, co-prime number, composite number and equal numbers. If LCM and HCF are equal, then the numbers are equal. Let us go to one more question. If a be any positive integer, a can be expressed using Euclid's division lemma as a is equal to 5q plus r. Then the set R is, here look here, the set of R is, we know that by Euclid's division lemma, b is equals to 5. So, the condition for R is 0 less than or equals to R less than 5. Hence, the set of R will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, let us go for the next question. The sum of 6 power n and 5 power n for every n belongs to capital N contains one of the digits in the units place. N is any number. We are adding 6 power n to 5 power n. Then the digit in the unit place is the question. The digit in the units place of 6 power n is 6. Observe, 6 power 1 is 6. 6 power 2 is 36. So, digit in unit place is always 6. Similarly, the digit in unit place of 5 power n is also 5. By adding, we get 6 plus 5 is 11. So, the digit in unit place of their sum is always 1. Now, let us come to the last bit. If root 2 is equal to 1.414, then what is 4 by root 2? Denominator is root 2. Rationalize the denominator. We have to multiply to numerator and denominator with root 2. Then it becomes 4 root 2 by root 2 into root 2 is 2. Here by simplification we get 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2 is given as 1.141. So by multiplication we get 2.824. Our next video is on areas of triangles and collinear points in the chapter Coordinate Geometry. It carries compulsory essay type questions, so don't miss the video on areas of triangles and collinear points. If you have any clarification, call me. Thank you for listening.